discovered a leak on your ship? Maybe you just left port and found out that corrosion has finally taken its toll on your aging pipes. Well, we aim to eliminate the need of returning to port to fix things like that. We offer this, the Marine HydraWrap system, an ABS certified repair that utilizes carbon fiber fabric and an epoxy to fix failing pipes. This one kit has everything you'll need to make a repair on your pipes or other spot repairs on your vessel. I'll take you through it, what's all included, and what all the system can do. First off, it comes in this nice waterproof toolbox, which will be just as handy to you after you use all the HydraWrap inside. Let's look inside and see what's in there. Inside this kit, we have an assortment of fabrics, varying in widths and lengths. 2-inch fabric, 6-inch fabric, 12-inch fabric. You use one over the other based on your application. What's the diameter of the pipe that you're fixing? Where is the leak in that pipe? To help you determine what you need to use and how much, we've included this booklet. This gives you a breakdown of all the different repairs that this kit can handle and exactly how to do them. We included scissors so you can cut out the appropriate amount of fabric for your application. Next is the epoxy, part A and B of the primer and the wet out. And in this system, you're going to get 4 quarts of the primer, which goes directly on the surface of repair, and 3 quarts of the wet out. And that's worked into the fibers of the carbon fabric. While we're on the topic, we have a large variety of epoxies. Say your application requires an acid-resistant epoxy. We have that. Your kit can be built with it. Just let us know the needs of your project and we can custom build your kit to your needs. As I mentioned, there's epoxy in this system and you want to protect your surfaces from that epoxy so you don't mess them up. As such, we've included this nice little layer of protection, a little plastic cover for you. Last but not least are the application kits. It comes with 2. Based on the sheer amount of materials stuffed inside the Marine HydraWrap Kit, we expect you to get multiple repairs out of this kit. Okay, let's briefly discuss what's in the application kit. You got a small brush. This will help you apply the primer epoxy to the surface that you're repairing. A mixer to mix any and all of the epoxy. Gloves to protect your hand from the epoxy, of course. Scrapers, so when you're mixing these, you have to scrape out some of the epoxy from this one into that one so you don't waste any. That's what these are for. And this little wedge is used to work the wet out into the fabric. You lay this out on the table and you just work it in back and forth. Lastly, you have the stick of malleable epoxy, and this can be used to fill in dents or indentations in the surface of the repair, basically creating a smooth, uniform surface for the HydraWrap to be applied to. As I mentioned earlier, this kit will make a lot of different repairs. Pipes of various sizes, different fittings, and the different versions of epoxies that we can ship in this kit make sure that Marine HydraWrap is the premier offshore solution for your vessel's repair. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, maybe subscribe, and if I left you with any questions today, write them in the comments below.